activity 9.14 is sorting 3D shapes. Before doing this activity, you should cut out your nuts and or use your power solids and divide them into 3 sets. The goal of this activity is to have prisms, pyramids, and non-polyhedra, so anything with a circle. So set A is going to be your prisms. Prisms have 2 bases. So the way that these are drawn is that they are sitting on top of a base. So this triangle here would be the base of the first one. This square would be the base of the second one. You have another square. This looks like a pentagon, 5 sides, and this looks like our hexagon. So they have 2 bases, a bottom one and a top one. All these sides, the faces that go around, we call those lateral faces. So these are all called faces. And then we have lateral faces. Those do not include the bases. And all of the lateral faces are rectangles. Set B is then our set of pyramids. And they only have 1 base. The lateral faces are all triangles. The apex is the kind of top, if you put it on its base, vertex. So up here, that would be the apex of the hexagonal pyramid. And then set C, these have parts that are not polygons, specifically circles. So these have circle, I'll say components. You have a cone, sphere, and a cylinder. When you have your students sort, you can have different ways that your students sort. That's okay. You want them to use language when they do this. So they'll talk about rectangles, they'll talk about triangles, about the points on a pyramid, they'll talk about the circles. If you have these shapes in your classroom, they might have colors. They might sort them on colors. That's okay. So just let them sort however they want to, and then guide them to sorting them into these 3 groups so you can get your definitions of prisms and pyramids out there.